The Justice of Hazrat Umar, Story of a Rich and a Poor Man. During the Caliphate of Hazrat Umar, justice and fairness were the foundation of society. One day, a poor man came to Hazrat Umar and complained, "O leader of the believers, a wealthy man has taken away my right. He is powerful, and people are afraid to stand with me." Hazrat Umar immediately summoned the rich man. When both of them stood before him, Hazrat Umar listened to their arguments. The wealthy man, with arrogance, said, "I belong to a noble tribe and a wealthy family. How can this poor man be equal to me?" Hearing this, Hazrat Umar's face turned red with anger. He said firmly, "By Allah, in Islam, honor and superiority are only through piety and character, not through wealth or lineage." Then Hazrat Umar gave his judgment fairly and restored the poor man's right. After that, he addressed the people and said, "Remember, if a powerful person oppresses the weak, I will stand against him, no matter how wealthy or influential he may be." The crowd was amazed at such justice. The rich man lowered his head in shame, while the poor man wept with joy because the Caliph himself ensured his right was returned. Lesson: this story teaches us that in Islam, everyone is equal. Justice does not see rich or poor. True greatness lies in fairness, piety, and honesty. In Islam, no one is above the other, rich or poor. Justice is the true strength of a believer. May Allah guide us all to walk on the path of fairness. Ameen. If this story touched your heart, share it with others, write your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring Islamic stories.